Welcome, YouTubers. This is part two of my Quintracycle custom build. As you can see, I got the bikes uh, disassembled. The parts that aren't needed, I took them off, and I got the third bike is there in the middle. Actually, I was going to use a 18-inch bike for in the middle, but I didn't think that would work too well, so I acquired another 20-inch bike, and I used that. And what I've been working on today is making the cross member connector in the back here. What you do is you take one of those bike pegs, you screw it onto this bike, you take one on the middle bike, you screw it onto there, you slip a pipe in the middle of those two, and then they already have holes, so I did have to drill them out a little bit, and then you put one of those pins in there, and then you can take them apart if you ever need to. I did the same on here. I only got two pins, so I just stuck some long bolts through there for now. The bike in the middle here, the axle bolts weren't really long enough, and so I actually took the whole bolt out and just screwed the peg in because the threads weren't really long enough. If you had the bolt on there too, like this one here, if you can see, well, this one it's recessed a little bit, and this one is flush, so that's kind of the reason I had to do that. And what I will probably be doing next is putting a front cross member in. I just got that bar stuck in there temporarily for now, and I'll be connecting that. I haven't exactly decided how, and then each one of the handlebars, be putting a handlebar in there, and it will come back toward the seat, and the same thing on that side. And then the front fork, I'll be let's see, putting one of these L brackets right down here that will go up and out a little bit, and there'll be another one on that side the same way, and then there will be another bar that goes across here, which will tie the steering together then. And so when you turn it one way, the other wheel will follow it. And so got some more work to do on it, but made a lot of good progress today, and hopefully maybe another day or two I might actually have it together far enough to take it for a little test drive. I did want to make it less than 30 inches wide, but unless I cut those pegs down, which I didn't want to do, it has to be slightly more than 30 inches wide. I think it's about 32, but as long as it's under 36, it will go through my apartment door there. And if it has to go through a door smaller than that, you probably will have to disassemble it and get it through the door. But that is one good thing about this bike. There's no welding required. And so it can be taken all apart if you want. And I believe I'm going to put my comfort seat on it. It has a backrest and perhaps put a canopy thing for the roof, but that's going to do it for tonight. Be sure to like and subscribe to my channel, and remember to ring that bell. More cowbell. Okay, that's enough cowbell. Tune in next time, folks.